So he was an Indian ornithologist and naturalist, and he is also referred to as the bird man of India. He was the first Indian to conduct a systematic study of the birds, and he used his personal influence to garner support for organizations like Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary and our Silent Valley National Park, which is in Kerala. So here we watch a role play by students of 5th standard.
Good morning everyone, I'm Salim, formerly called the Bird Man of India, as I love birds. When I was 10 years old, a bird was shot white. It was flying tender at a bird, and I had immediately gone there and picked up the bird. I observed down the town is in a different yellow shade. As I grew up, the curiosity also increased in me. I started my journey to know details about birds by visiting the Bombay National History Society. Here I researched a lot about the weaver bird. I have traveled many places to know keenly about birds. I became famous by publishing a book called The Nature and Activities of Weavers.